going to have a look at the Voi Scooter. So the Voi Scooter is actually a scooter that came from, I think, Stockholm in Sweden, or somewhere in Sweden for sure. And we're pretty excited. We're going all the way to good old Northampton to see it. So let's see what it is like. So how are you guys feeling about seeing the scooters?
Yeah, they should be cool. I think they're slightly different from the ones that we've reviewed before, so it'll be interesting to see what they're like. Ben, what do you think?
Yeah, really excited. Can't wait to see them, see how Northampton goes out and about, really. So yeah, let's do it.
Let's go. Okay, so we're actually just arriving now. We're almost at the station. Ben, how are you feeling?
Feeling good, yeah, it's going to be great. Looking forward to seeing what these scooters are like, and hope they're a good ride.
Okay, so we made it to Northampton, so now it's time to find a scooter. Let's go. Okay, so we have finally made it to see these Voi scooters. At a first glance, they actually look really good. I really like the design of them. There's a few little differences, which is something that we haven't seen on other scooters before, just by a first glance. And some of those things are, they've got a cool holder for your phone, which is great. Another really cool thing is they've got some indicators, or at least it looks like it does, which means that when you're actually out on the road, that will really help. And I guess in terms of safety as well, that is a big plus. Okay, so we're now going to go into the actual Voi app and see how easy it is to unlock. Okay, so when you're actually on the app, you can find it very easily. Press scan to ride. And then one of the really cool things is that it's actually got NFT, which means that all you have to do is tap it on the scooter and hopefully it will work. Let's see if it does.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So I've just uploaded the photo. Not the best photo, but it will do.
So you might have noticed this scooter has front suspension, which actually makes the ride really good. It also absorbs some of the bumps. I've used scooters without suspension, and I don't recommend getting a scooter without suspension. You're going to feel every bump in the path. With these scooters, the Voi scooters, it's actually a pleasant experience while riding them over different terrain and surfaces.
So the Voi scooters has an app, a bit like most electric hire scooters, but it actually works really well, and I found it probably one of the easier ones to use. It's very easy to find the scooter, how much there is one charged, and to take it off and to put it back is really easy as well. So a big plus there from Voi. So overall, I actually think that the Voi scooters is probably one of the best electric hire scooters that I've personally used. It felt quite safe, and that it was actually meant for pedestrians. So some of the really cool pros is that it worked really well. The scooters had indicators, which actually means it's really good when you're out and about, going where you need to go. It went slow in certain areas where there's lots of pedestrians automatically, which again is a big plus there.
So like Jack said, these scooters are actually really fun and great to use, and personally one of my favourite hire scooters. They've got suspension, they have got the indicator feature, and they actually even have this little handle on the front where you can put your helmet or your shopping bag, hang it on the front. How cool is that?
Okay, so what are the downsides of this scooter? And the first one to us is probably the cost. It cost me about £8 for about 35 minutes, which I guess isn't too bad, but more expensive than others.
Yeah, definitely. I think always a cost comes to mind when riding these scooters. Obviously, if you had a private one, a lot cheaper, but they're actually really cool scooters, and the battery life were amazing on the scooters, so big thumbs up there.
So overall, would we recommend using this hire scooter? And I don't know about Sam, but for me, I would definitely say yes. And personally, I wish they actually had Voi scooters in Milton Keynes where we live. Sam, what do you think?
Exactly the same as you, Jack. I really enjoyed these scooters, and again, I wish they were in Milton Keynes because they're actually awesome. I like the little phone holder as well. You can get Google Maps up, see where you want to go, and not having to worry about holding your phone in one hand and trying to ride the scooter with the other one. Don't recommend doing that. This scooter solves that problem. Awesome scooter.
So clearly the Voi is getting a big thumbs up from both myself and Sam, which means that if you see a Voi scooter, you should definitely try it. This video is not sponsored or anything like that. We genuinely love it and we had a really good time using the scooter. So if you're new to our channel and you love electric scooters, we would really love it if you hit that subscribe button and of course give the video a thumbs up. My name's Jack.
And I'm Sam. Thank you for watching this Tech Fusions video. Please comment, like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next Tech Fusions video.